What's up, guys? So today I have a couple things. I got a new SD card for the camera, 64 gig. It was cheap. It was like $11 on Amazon, I think. So I'm gonna put that in. I got this cool vintage selfie stick, I guess it is. So this is actually really cool. It was made in Germany, and it's a Coleman. I don't know if that's a good brand. I got it from my grandma after my grandpa passed. It was his. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna pop this SD card in the camera and see how it works. So it turns out it works great. There's only 30 minutes of video on this SD card. It's 64 gigs, but there's only 30 minutes of video, so I'm gonna have to get a bigger one. But this selfie stick is pretty cool. This is a whole DSLR camera, and it's on this stick. But so yeah, we're gonna go over what we have here. This is the new fuel pump for the Tacoma. I'm gonna put that in today. And I also got some gaskets. This is the, I guess, the fuel pump gasket, fuel tank lock ring. And this is the top hat gasket that goes from the tank to the top hat. So we're gonna put all those in today. So we'll see what's inside this fuel pump box first. Alright, so we get a URD sticker. This is a URD Walbro 190. We got some instructions on how to install. So it says to lift the bed up to get to the fuel pump. So, alright, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this fuel pump and see what we have here. Alright, so we have the fuel pump itself. This is slightly taller than the stock fuel pump body, so we're going to have to cut the metal line a little bit, just shorten it from the pickup tube. So we get a new fuel pump sock, instructions, piece of fuel line, and 2 electrical connectors. New connector for it, 2 hose clamps, and a new isolator.
That one's pretty close.
So we're going to use the DeWalt for the rest of the
The screen.
I'm going to cut this. About there. There it is. So let's see. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these new gaskets on and reinstall it. I'm also going to do this gasket because I thought it was part of it. I just ordered both of them. That's it. So now I'm going to go ahead and start it up, see if it works. The AFRs look good at 14.6, 14.8, 14.7. Even with the 440cc injectors and 190 LPH fuel pump on the stock ECU, it's still perfect AFRs. Here's my other gauges, they don't work yet. So that's everything. We did the injectors, cleaned out the intake manifold. I think you can kind of see the injectors in there. There we go, that's a good shot. And so they're the yellow Earthside Tiger 440cc injectors, and we did the Walbro 190 LPH fuel pump. So we're getting ready, gearing up. It's gonna be turbo soon.